Oh, man. That bear kicked our asses.
Well, thank God we're all okay. Good job, Joe. You stayed positive. That's why you're the rock of the group.
Wait a minute, where's my cowboy hat? I think the bear took it.
Who gives a
What the hell, Joe? I always saw you as the rock of the group.
damn it?
Don't you see, fellas? We made an oath to the mayor to get our manhood back. And our hats are that manhood. So we gotta find that bear and get it back.
I don't know. That sounds dangerous.
Come on, the whole reason we came here is because we turned into cowards. The mayor wanted us to finish this cattle drive like real cowboys, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. We'll do it with courage and teamwork. Who's with me? Yeah, that's the spirit.